Welcome to the Mod Manager D series of tutorial videos, where I'll be showing you how to use Mod Manager as part of your mod development process, from the first idea you have to the part where you're updating your users with a new version of your mod. You might be thinking, Mod Manager and mod development? No. Well, I'm here to show you one thing that I think will make a lot of mod developers happy. The ability to generate custom DLC really quick. Mod Manager also has a bunch of other features that we've had for a long time. Automatic advertisement of updates to the users, easy ways for them to get back to your mod page for some help, an automatic install of a DLC bypass, which will automatically make it so they can use your mods without having to go through and fiddle with files and stuff. Having directions on the right side of every mod they have right there. But in this episode and the next two episodes, I'm going to be discussing things that I've added in 4.2.3 Mod Manager, and that'll be mod conflict detection, conditional installs based on what DLC is present or not present for compatibility mods, and in this episode, the starter kit generator. So let's say I have an idea for a mod, DNA mod. It's going to add the intro for Mass Effect 2 to Mass Effect 3 for some reason, but it's like, that's a cool idea and I want to get on it right now. If I didn't use Mod Manager, I would have to generate a custom DLC by hand, which means I'm going to have to hex edit mount files. I'm going to have to drag and drop a million TOK files and validate them and test them and wonder if I missed a step. And it sucks. If you do it right as the best mod developer, you can maybe get in like 15 minutes. But if you're a new mod developer, you're going to be reading guides and wondering what's going wrong, and you're going to be spending hours, and you're going to be like, this sucks, I quit. And I want to take out that frustration by having you just be able to go to Tools, Mod Development, generate a custom DLC starter kit, fill out this, and all of that's already done. So we're going to do that, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is. So what this will do is it's going to generate a Mod Manager mod for you, which will automatically click Apply. It's already ready to go. And inside of that mod, it will have a working custom DLC folder. So say you don't want to use Mod Manager, you can just copy and paste that folder out of there. But what you're going to do in here is you're going to fill one in, and it's going to provide you also a workspace, a folder of TOK files that if you drag and drop that folder onto Mod Manager, it will compile all of the TOK files in that folder for you in one pass. You'll have a set file that's compiled and already decompiled, so you can just edit it on the fly, drag and drop it onto Mod Manager, and it'll compile a new set file for you. You just drag and drop that into the mod folder in Mod Manager, and bam, you hit apply and it's ready to go. You won't have to deal with having like a million files all over the place and all that stuff. It'll already be done for you. So let's just do that. Let's just get right to it. We have DNA mod. I am the developer and gamers. If you click on help, you'll go to this link. Forums, that can be a placeholder. You can modify that later. The internal DLC name is what comes after DLC con. So this will just be DNA. DLC con DNA. That sounds pretty cool. The name that appears if the DLC fails to authorize or is listed in a save file. DNA mod. DNA mod by MGamers. Let's just do DNA mod. That'll show up as this DLC failed to authorize. The internal TOK ID. We'll do 1250000. So this is what will appear. Let's see, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need one more. No, we don't. So this is what you would have to hex edit into mount.dlc. This is what will point directly to this internal DLC name, and this will be the starting block of your mod's TOK indexes. The mount priority, let's just do 4250. This is how high up in the list of priorities this is. I can choose my mount flag. For almost all intents and purposes, you should always choose SP, does not require DLC in a save file. If you choose anything that loads an MP, you will break MP for the user. Requiring a save file should be required if you're adding new maps where the user might save in an area that can no longer load. Other stuff like that. But for most part, you should almost always use 8. And then in here you can put a mod description. This mod makes everything at the start of ME3 look like ME2. Alright, generate starter kit. It's going to extract resources out of Mod Manager. It's going to compile the files. It's going to update the PC console talk. And the mod's been created. We're going to put files into this, and we'll have a working mod. And then it'll open this little thing here, a workspace, mod desk, the DNA file, the console talk bin, all of this stuff. Look, this is already all ready to go. All of it's already precompiled. Workspace. We have TOK files in here. All of these, I'm ready just to edit them. And when I want to recompile them, I can just drag them right here and do compile all TOK XML manifests. We'll go in here. Look at that. TOK files are appearing. Look at that. And then I just do sort on type. I can just copy all of these into here. And boom. That's all up to date. If I want to update the talk files, I just click on DNA mod right here. And I do mod utils, run autotalk. Boom. Autotalk has been updated for this mod. Want to install this mod or update the installed version, hit apply mod. Boom. It's installed. It's that easy. If I want to remove it, I go to store, custom, DLC manager. Oh look, there's DNA mod. Boom. It's gone. It's that simple. And now all you need to do is start dragging and dropping files in here, and it's ready to go. Everything's already done for you. It's that simple.